filmed a video for my friends and family that live far away, but I don't have a YouTube account. Help! How do I get one? Help! People are always telling me, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. But I don't have a YouTube account. Help me! How do I get one? Help! Come with me and I'll show you how to get a YouTube account and upload your video so friends and family from all over can see it. First, let me show you how you can get a Google account, because you have to have a Google account to get a YouTube account. Google owns YouTube. So this part is super simple. You just come to this page, which I will link down below, and it says create your Google account. So you put your first name, your last name. You're actually signing up for Gmail. Even if you have another email address, it's always good to have two. One is a backup in case you can't remember a password, you get locked out of one. You always have a second one. And Gmail is actually a really good one to have. So then you'll do your first name, your last name, then your username. And if you put in a username that is not available, they'll make suggestions, or you can keep trying until you get one that you like. Then, of course, you do a password, and then you click Next. On the next screen, it asks you some more questions about yourself. I think it asks birth date and some other questions, and it's fine. I know people don't like to give this information, but honestly, guys, this information is available anywhere. People just have to look for it. So don't think that Google's the only place that somebody could steal it from, because honestly, it's not. And if you have credit, your information's probably already been exposed 100,000 times over. So anyway. So just keep following. I can't follow because I honestly already have an account. But just keep following, click next, and follow. So once you get your Google account all set up, you'll come to YouTube and see it says sign in right there. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on that. And this screen that pops up says choose an account, and you'll see your account there down below. So you click on your account. Once you put in your password, then you'll see this box pop up and it says use YouTube as. You pick your account from that, and then you click OK, and you'll be logged in. So then once you get logged in, this circle over here will have like a letter in it, or some generic plain something. You click on that, and then you'll have a whole list, and it says YouTube Studio. Click on that. And basically what happens is your YouTube dashboard will pop up, and it'll have things like latest video performance, channel analytics, some YouTube news that's just for people that upload videos. And what you do is you hit the create button, and then it says upload videos. You click that, and then this pops up, and you'll go find your video you want to upload. You'll click open, and then as it's uploading, and then this screen will pop up where you put the title of your video here. Here it says description. You write about your video. Here will be different screenshots from your flip through, and it'll be maybe some journal pages, maybe ephemera, whatever you show. It's going to capture 3 frames. And you can put that there, or you can upload a picture you took. You can click on it, and you can go to, if you took a photo of it, go to where you take photos and just click one. Or if you made one, you can go click on it, and that will be your thumbnail. If you didn't make one, that's fine. One of these that pops up, you can use that. That's perfectly acceptable. Then scroll down some more, and it'll say more options. Oh, right here, this is very important. It'll say audience. And you want to make sure it says not kids, because if you ever want to monetize, it won't monetize you if your videos are for kids. Unless you want them to be for kids and you don't ever plan on monetizing. And that's fine too. If you never plan on monetizing, you just want your videos, maybe you're reading books to your grandkids, then click yes, it's for kids, and keep going. If not, click no, it's not made for kids, and then click more options down here in the bottom, which is right there. And then when you click that, what's going to happen is all this stuff that you really don't need is going to pop up. But one thing you do want is tags. Tags will help people that maybe are friends and family find your video. The name of your journal, what it's about, Valentine's Day. Maybe it has recipes for romantic dinners, chocolate recipes, how to use chocolate in vegan recipes, stuff like that. Those are all your tags, and you're allowed 500 tags. You don't have to use them all. Okay, so you've got your tags. Remember, this is your title, and this is a description. You can even put simple for my friends, or, depending on what level you want to take this to. Okay, and then once you get all that, when your video is uploaded, you go to this next page and you can add an end screen, which will say something like subscribe to my channel. It'll pop up one of those boxes. It'll pop up one of those boxes you always see that says subscribe to my channel. Maybe has another video to put, for you to check out. You can do that. You cannot. You can just skip it. Like if this is a simple video for just friends and family, click next, skip it, click next again. And you come to this part, which is the publish time. You can make it public. You can make it private and only give it to people that you want to see it. It's totally up to you. You can schedule it for a future date. If you hit schedule, then it pops up date, time, and then you just hit schedule. And that's all it takes to upload a video. It's very, very simple. All you do on Facebook when you go to do this is you go to the area you want to post, you click photo or video. Okay, you just pick a video that you want to do, you open it, it's going to upload, you can write something about it, and then you click post and you have your video up. So it's super simple to do on Facebook. Most people, if you've posted photos, you can post a video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you an idea of how to set up a Google account so you can set up a YouTube account so you can upload either for yourself, friends, and family, or so you can upload for potential future maybe customers for your Etsy shop, or so you can start a business and your YouTube channel can be the eye into your business, so to speak. Also, if you didn't know how to upload on Facebook, I feel like most people know how to do that, but in case you don't, I hope that helped as well. Now that you have your Google and YouTube accounts, be sure and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. So leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite part of this series? Was it part 1 where I talked about how to set up your camera, your iPhone, the best angles to film from, and that information? Was it part 2 where I talked about doing the actual flip throughs or sharing of your artwork, how it had to be quick, concise to grab your audience? Or was it part 3, setting up your Google YouTube accounts and how to actually upload videos? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for being here. Take care. I'll see you next time.